Hello. Say hello. Can I? Do you know where the treats are? Look. Not interested now, right?
Oh no, I'll just get on the chair myself.
Yeah.
Do what you want, innit?
Obviously.
Oh, let's have it.
So I am just.
That's well cute.
Should I take a picture of you guys?
Taking pictures of Minna.
No, we gone mad.
Is it? You're just our favourite. Our chairs look so filthy.
She got fat, yeah.
She get fat?
I thought she might even be
Preggers, but she's been fixed, they said.
she's been what?
Fixed.
Oh, she's been fixed.
What are you looking at, Minna? Are you having a look around? See what the possibilities are for mischief? You're looking at the mischief possibilities. Let's do your thing. Minna?
I haven't got time for that. I've got to get back.
What are you looking at now?
She knows where all the food's going on.
That's where all the food is stocked for you, isn't it? Do you want to go out? Do you want out?
I don't think she does.